I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and in today's video we're going to be going through pretty much every single item from the LUSH Beetlejuice collaboration. If you guys have been living under a rock or you didn't see the announcement, LUSH and Beetlejuice have come together, and honestly they have made some incredibly enjoyable, funny, beautiful products that I had to share them with you. I do just want to say that this box was ever so kindly sent to me from the LUSH community PR team, and again I am just so eternally grateful for you guys because you honestly make my day. Like Melody of 7 years ago, who would spend every single penny of her paycheck on LUSH, like this is for her, do you know what I mean? Like she is living her dream. So I just want to say thank you guys so incredibly much. And also I want to know, you guys watching, do you like these videos where I open up PR? Do you enjoy it? I would love to know down below. Sometimes I feel like I don't want to unbox every single item because I feel like it kind of comes across as that I'm being like, look at all the things I have, do you know what I mean? But I would love to know down below, do you like these videos? Anyway, let's stop rambling. I feel like I've said this intro about 50,000 times. I just cannot wait to open this box. So without further ado, as always, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. Okay, so opening up the parcel. Oh, I have to show you the box. I have to show you the box. This is incredible. Like if I had the space in my flat to kind of keep all the cool LUSH boxes, I so would, because this is stunning. Look at that. Even has green, what's it called? What's it called? You know what I mean. It's green. Unreal. So this is the first thing in the box. This is so incredibly cool. I feel like this is something I have to pick. And on the back it says, explore the strange and unreal. No. Do you know what? I sometimes think I shouldn't be a reader because I cannot read. Anyway, what it does say is explore the strange and unusual with Beetlejuice X LUSH. Our haunting new collection for bath, shower and hair will make your millennium. Yeah, that's what it says. Does it? Yes, it does. That's a weird word. Anyway, light a candle and create moody moments in the bath with swirls of colour, frothy bubbles and fragrances that will raise your spirit. Lather up with our fruity juniper berry and sweet wild orange shower gel to feel downright revived, and then style your bangs into points with Goth juice. I'm so excited. Again, just the detail of even these alone, like I feel like so much work goes into this that I'm just so excited about all this. So let's dive in and see what's inside. The first item we have is a bottle of the Juice is Loose shower gel. This honestly is probably my favourite item out of the range. I love the fragrance. It is so delicious, and I actually did pick up a bottle of this when I went to the event last week. If you guys saw my video, you would have seen the whole collection was there, and I did pick up a small bottle of this. However, am I grateful to have another bottle? Yes, because it is so good. This essentially smells like a sour grape sweet. Like if you're in America or you have had the grape Jolly Ranchers, this smells exactly like that. It is so good. It's got a very kind of fruity sour smell to it. Honestly, this has the best smell. I feel like I could drink it. It is so good. Ingredients wise, in this one we have got things like red clover flower infusion, juniper berry oil, sweet wild orange oil, and also carrageenan extract. But if I'm going to explain it to somebody who doesn't necessarily know what those ingredients would smell like together, it smells like grape, like a grape fizzy sour sweet. It is so good and I'm in love with it. So that is the first item in the box. Again, I just love the packaging. It's so beautiful and they just put so much time and effort into the labeling of the collections. I'm obsessed. The next item we have in the box is one which I'm really intrigued by actually, and that is the Goth Juice Styling Gel. So I believe they came out with this one obviously because in the film, if you've seen it, Winona Ryder's character always had the pointy fringe, and I guess this is to kind of create that same look. I don't really know, but it's so cool. Again, the packaging is just so fun and so unique and I absolutely love it. I've not actually smelt this one, so let's give it a smell and see what it's like. Ooh, it's like wibbly. Oh wow, okay. That is not what I thought it would smell like. It's very, very strong and very kind of like hits the back of your throat a little bit. Like it's a very strong, very, very strong smell. It's quite an earthy smell actually as well. It's got a very savoury, earthy kind of vibe to it. Ingredients wise in this one, you've got things like fresh lemon infusion, which I'm not going to lie, I don't smell any lemon in there. But it's also got oak moss absolute, hemp seed oil. It's also got oak moss extract and organic linseed oil as well. It's a very savoury, earthy smell, which you guys know me, I'm not into my earthy smells. My kind of garden fragrances are just not my personal preference. However, I feel like with this, because it's a styling product, it's maybe not necessarily so much about the fragrance as it is about what it does. So I'm intrigued to see how good this is. I might have to get Ryan to be a bit of a dummy for me and let me have a go on his hair, because I really want to see what this is like. So that is the second item in the range, and I'm just really, yeah, I'm really excited about that. I love that they've included a haircut item. I think it's a bit more of a unique twist. I really liked the shampoo bar they released for the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles range as well. So yeah, very excited about this. Love it. The next item we have in the box, I think it was the item which I was most gutted I didn't pick up the other week, and that is the Bob bath bomb. Now mine is looking a little worse for wear, I'm not gonna lie. His eyes are a little bit funny looking now. However, he smells incredible. This bath bomb is full of lemon, vetiver and labdanum oil. Now this one is flamingo egg scented, which it's quite a hard smell to describe. It's very, very fresh smelling, but it is a strong, fresh smell, if that makes sense. It's not overly sweet either. Like there's definitely some sweeter notes in it. I would say if you like sweet smells, you'd probably be more inclined to like this one as opposed to if you didn't like sweet smells. But it is super fresh with a hint of like, I don't even know how to describe it. You guys know me, like I'm not the best at describing scents, would you believe? For somebody who has filmed Lush content for so long, you think my scent descriptions would have improved by now. They have not. But yeah, I think if you like a sweet smelling bath bomb, you like sweet, you like fruity, you like a kind of strong, fresh smell, you will really like this one. I wouldn't say if you only love earthy smells and you hate everything else, this is probably not for you, but he's just so cute. I've seen some incredible bath art with him and I'm so excited to use him. So yeah, that's the next item in the collection and I am absolutely just, oh, it's so good. I'm in love with him. So the next item in the collection is a bubble bar, and this is the Never Trust the Living bubble bar. This one is peachy scented, so it's got a very lovely, fresh, fruity smell. Ingredients wise, you've got things like grapefruit, Davana oil, and Elemi. I don't know how you pronounce that. It's E-L-E-M-I. Not sure what that is. It's, oh wow, that is delicious. If you guys haven't smelt peachy, then you wouldn't know what this smells like, but it doesn't necessarily smell like peaches, but it is definitely more, should I say definitely one more time? It's definitely, I'm going to say it again, it's definitely more on the fruity side of scents as opposed to anything else. It's a really lovely smell though, very fresh. It's mouth-watering, like I'm salivating smelling it, but it's absolutely beautiful. This is a really fun looking bubble bar too. It's purple and green. It is giving like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle vibes, which I loved because I loved the purple and the green, and I'm just really excited to use it. But yeah, scent-wise, very fresh, very fruity. I would say it's more on the sweet side of fruity as opposed to like the sour. Oh, it's absolutely delish. Wow. I just want to like, do you know what I mean? I won't, but I want to. And last but definitely not least is the item which I'm probably the most excited about, because this is screaming emo intergalactic and I'm so here for it. Like, can we just talk about how beautiful this bath bomb is? So this is the Afterlife bath bomb, which I'm sorry is absolutely beautiful. This one is the same scent as the shower gel, so it's that really lovely sour grape smell. Honestly, like it makes me want to like salivate. It is so good. I just can't. It's juniper berry and sweet wild orange, but it's a very like mouth-watering grape sweet smell. The only way I can describe it is the grape Jolly Ranchers, like how that tastes. This smells exactly like that. It's absolutely incredible, and again, just look at it. It is so beautiful. I honestly can't get over the look of this one. I think if you are a fan of Intergalactic and you love Halloween, like this one is for you, and I'm so excited to try this one out. Again, I've seen so many beautiful photos and videos of these that I need to try it myself. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Yum. So those are all of the items that I was kindly sent from the Lush Beetlejuice collaboration. I would love to know down below, what are you going to be picking up from this range? Are you going to get anything? Have you already got anything? What are your thoughts and opinions? Let me know down below in the comments. I would love to know. And again, I just want to reiterate, thank you so much to Lush, to the Lush PR team, to the Lush community team. I love you guys so much, and I'm just so eternally grateful. You make my day every single time a parcel comes, every time you guys like my posts, every time you guys send an email. I just feel so grateful and thankful to be a part of this community, and I just love it. So yeah, thank you so much. And yeah, if you guys haven't yet subscribed, please make sure you do. I upload twice a week on this channel, and we do a lot of Lush content, but we also do book content, if you couldn't tell, and a lot of vlogs and stuff in between. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please do. I love you guys so incredibly much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.